In this video, we'll talk about the 5 Web3 projects that have the most potential and that can earn you thousands of dollars without even knowing how to code. We'll see the best tools you can use to easily create a successful Web3 project from scratch and without prior experience. So let's start right now. The first project you can launch with no technical skills is an NFT collection. Many people think NFTs are dead, but the truth is that NFTs are just a technology and it will most probably never die. So yeah, all the collections with monkeys and animals are not working anymore, and that's because most of these projects had no real value behind them. But the truth is that some collectors are still out there looking for great art they want to collect. So creating an NFT collection is a great way to express your creativity while making money in the Web3 space. And if it is well done, you could make thousands of dollars. The first step you need to follow to create your own NFT collection without code is to create appealing art for your collection. When you are in the process of creating art for your NFT collection, it's very important to make it visually stunning and unique. So don't take inspiration from all the existing crappy NFTs and do something that you can really be proud of when it launches. But first, it is really important to understand that there are two main types of NFTs. The first one being generative art NFTs and the second one being unique items NFTs. Generative art NFTs are NFTs that are randomly generated based on a predefined set of attributes, and they are most of the time a collection of a couple thousand NFTs. Unique items NFTs are NFTs that are one single piece of art, and you can either sell them as an auction or as a collection of the same item. That being said, you can use Adobe Illustrator or other similar tools to create your designs, and if you don't have design skills, you can hire a freelance artist on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to create the designs for you. If you have a limited budget, there's an even better option, which is to use AI tools that generate art based on what you tell it. And to do that, you can use Midjourney, which is the best option by far when it comes to making beautiful art. Once you have your designs ready, and if you are creating generative NFTs, you need to generate NFTs based on your created attributes. You can use a tool like nftgenerator.art to generate NFTs based on your designs. This tool basically takes each of your attributes and creates complete NFTs based on them. After you have your entire NFT collection ready, you need to create a smart contract to allow people to mint your NFTs, which means add them to the blockchain. Creating smart contracts sounds like it's hard, but it's not anymore. There are a lot of tools that allow you to create entire custom smart contracts without writing a single line of code. To create your smart contract, you can choose from various no-code tools like NiftyKit, ZeroCode NFT, or Bueno.art. They are all very easy to use, but my personal favorite is NiftyKit, as it is the one that I used when I created my own NFT collection. The second Web3 project you can launch with the help of no-code tools is a content website that you monetize with smart contracts or NFTs. This project can be especially appealing to those who are interested in creating content and want to monetize it in a new and innovative way. One way to monetize your website is to require visitors to own a specific NFT or interact with your smart contract to access your content. It is very important to focus on creating high quality and valuable content to attract and retain users. The first thing you need to do is to pick a specific niche on which you have expertise and knowledge that you can share to bring value to people. The second step you need to take is to create a website on which you can publish content. To do that, you can use Bubble.io, which is a no-code website builder that allows you to create a website without any technical skills. Once your website is ready, you need to enable Web3 functionalities on it. And to do that, you can use a plugin like Web3 and MetaMask that allows you to easily add functionalities like check users' wallet for NFTs. This will allow users to interact with your website using blockchain technology. Finally, you need to launch and monetize your website. But before we go to the next project, we created a full detailed document that explains you how to launch each of these projects step by step, and you can claim this document for free in the first link of the description. Now let's get back to the video. The third project you can launch without having any technical skills is an NFT marketplace. NFT marketplaces have gained significant popularity in recent years as more and more people become interested in buying and selling unique digital assets. I know it sounds impossible, but launching your own NFT marketplace can be a lucrative opportunity, and with no-code tools, it is easier than ever to get started. And to do that, you can use a no-code tool like Rarible or Fungis to create an entire marketplace from scratch with absolutely zero code at all. So Rarible is already an NFT marketplace, but they created a solution to build your own when you already have an NFT collection. The advantage is that you can have your community to use your marketplace and collect all the fees related to the selling and buying of your NFTs. Fungis, though, is a popular no-code tool that allows you to create an NFT marketplace from scratch. And you can use that to create a fully functional marketplace and customize the trading fees and branding using their base code. Now, NFT marketplaces are a very competitive space, so the second step you need to follow is to find a specific niche you want to target for this marketplace. By doing that, you will be able to attract a specific audience, and it will be much easier to start making money than if you try to compete with like OpenSea. The fourth project you can launch with no technical skills is a DAO. A DAO, or decentralized autonomous organization, is a type of organization that is run by its members through smart contracts. Creating a DAO can be a complex undertaking, but with no-code tools, it's becoming more accessible to those with no technical background. First, you really need to understand that DAOs are mainly based on communities. So the first thing you really need to focus on is building a community. To do that, you can use social media platforms like Twitter or Discord. This community should be focused on a specific project or idea that you want to turn into a DAO. Once you have a community, you can start telling your community about what you plan to build and start involving them in the process. So as you can see, for now, there's literally nothing that has to do with tech, and the first steps of creating a DAO don't require any tech at all. But if you want to take your DAO to the next level, you should create a token that allows people to get voting power in your project by holding on the token. To do that, there are a lot of tools that help you create tokens with no code, such as Student Coin Terminal, which lets you create tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. They also allow you to manage your token through their dashboard, so that is super cool. Finally, the last project you can launch with no technical skills is a crypto commerce website. Essentially, launching a crypto commerce website is just like launching a basic e-commerce website, except you integrate Web3 functionalities to it that makes the experience better for your customers. On this website, you could sell any types of products that you want, and these products can be anything like physical products but with crypto, digital products linked to NFTs like an ebook as an NFT, for example, or even phygital products, which means physical products linked to digital products like NFTs, for example. One other thing you can do is reward your existing customers with NFTs, for example. And really, when you think about it, there are a lot of different things you can do with this type of projects. So it's just you and your ideas. So the first step you need to follow to create your crypto commerce website is to create an e-commerce website using Shopify. It is the best option out there by far, and it allows you to create a store in literally minutes with absolutely no code at all. Then once you created your store, you need to enable Web3 functionalities on it, and it is super easy to do now because Shopify recently partnered with ThirdWeb, which is a Web3 development toolbox. With ThirdWeb, you will be able to integrate any type of Web3 functionalities like enabling connect with MetaMask, for example, and your crypto commerce website will give your customers an incredible Web3 experience while shopping for sure. So guys, that was the 5 Web3 projects you can launch with no code at all. So if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and I really hope that you will apply some of the advice I gave you in this video. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.